Hi, welcome to the complete basic of machine learning. This series will be the high level overview of AI and machine learning and its terminology. So if you just decided to deep dive into the AI and machine learning technology but don't know how to start and where to start, then this series will be perfect for you. Machine learning comes under the term of artificial intelligence and one of the exciting and engaging topics nowadays. This means ML is a subpart of big umbrella called AI. This allows machine to learn itself from data. All major companies are looking for the ways to utilize these powerful tools and technology in their practical use cases and in their product and domains like telecom, V2X, augmented reality, robotics, smart systems, etc., including the physical products and applications or web. Because you know this, that AI and ML is a game-changing technology and that is why you are landing here. And trust me, the game is just started. Because AI and machine learning is very wide and vast, so it is a big challenge to figure out where to start, how to start, and what skill required to develop. So this video series is for you. We will be creating a complete learning path for AI, artificial intelligence, ML, machine learning, starting from the very basics for extreme beginners, and then we will gradually increase our levels so that you don't lost in between. And because we are developing it at different level, so you can choose the best label relevant for you and you can continue from there. In this session, we will be starting from the foundation of AI and ML and deep learning, and then we will try to relate them together. As you know that AI, artificial intelligence and ML, machine learning, gaining a lot of importance since last couple of years and already being used as one of the core important technology for many companies and products. There are countless products and services including web-based solution, automation, IoT gadgets, medical segment, robotics, augmented reality, smart devices, where AI, ML and deep learning already being started and these technologies gonna be everywhere soon. That is why almost all big brands and companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook and many others are investing a huge amount of funding and resources in research and development and taking relative initiatives to develop practical use cases to become the market leaders and building separate teams for AI and machine learning R&Ds and hiring AI and machine learning specialists and utilizing them to grow the useful collected data by collecting and cleaning data, analyzing data, etc. So you can see the relative job postings on data scientists, AI researchers, machine learning engineers, software engineers, product managers, product owners, project managers, because all are needed for research and development in this area. And also there are many numbers of new startup companies who uses AI and machine learning and data science and deep learning and analytics as a core technology of their products, like content creating, which can actually create text, pictures, even videos and animations just based on your command. They can help you debugging the problems and even solving them. So the demand for skilled people is growing rapidly. And for the same reason, these areas are one of the highest paying industry at the current time. This series is beginner series and our main objective at this level is to demystify the AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning and make the AI subject more accessible and easier to understand and relate with the use cases, and we will go around the basic building blocks. Before we start, let me ask you something which you can answer in the comment section. Different people can have different views on this, so you can express what you think. The question is very simple. That what comes in your mind first when we say artificial intelligence? What do you feel? Is it more towards positive side or in favor, or you feel negative factors more? Take a little pause here and think about it. I normally get variety of answers whenever this question is being asked. Some says AI technology created by humans, but it had the capability of taking over the world, and with the help of AI, machines will go beyond human limits and may create danger in the future. Also, automation is a big use case of AI and machine learning, and AI already started reducing human efforts in their day-to-day activities and jobs. They are helping humans in their regular deliveries, and probably the chances of errors are also reduced with AI and machine learning. And in future it gonna improve, and because of that lot of job cuts would happen and big downfall in employment ratio would happen. So living would be tough and more challenging, and more downsides in human behaviors too for survival. Another aspects where people take references from the sci-fi movies and web series, like killing robots are around and taking unfavorable decisions for humans, etc. Scary, right? So those people would consider AI and machine learning a danger for a future. We will be discussing that later in this series, but now think about the positive sides which people says, like the medical treatment in case of emergency when doctor is not around. So AI robot can start treatment and at least perform basic medical diagnostics based on the study of similar real cases. You may hear about self-driving vehicles, which is one of the use case of AI and machine learning, and they have the capability of probable calculations of any mishappening about to happen and can suggest or take the action to avoid any such situation. And this gonna be more advanced when more and more vehicles and devices connected with each other. Another positive aspect is because AI and machine learning is capable of handling complex and challenging things which may be time taking for human R&Ds in different domains. We have a recent example we can talk about is COVID-19, where researchers took a long time to find out vaccine for the disease, and by the time many human beings lost their lives. Still, there are many diseases on which researchers trying to find out remedies or vaccine or drugs, and AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning can definitely help to speed up the research and can help minimizing the loss. By better and on-time decisions, any mishappening on roads can be minimized too. There are thousands of AI applications, products and services available now which are saving human time and speed up things for humans. Well, the fact is we cannot predict the future. But if you are the one who plan to engage in this powerful technology, and that is why you are here to learn about this technology, then we have that responsibility to shape it. AI will definitely have many positive factors, but it also has a negative impact too. But one thing is for sure is that AI gonna make a big impact in almost every sector, and that too very soon. Because what we see today is just the surface of this powerful technology. So what do you think? Are you the one who have the capability to shape this for betterment? And did you decide to dive into AI and machine learning? If yes, let us know from the comment section that what factor is pushing you to learn this and why you wanted to learn AI and machine learning. In the coming session, we will understand what is AI, artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, and what is deep learning. So stay tuned for the updates. If you did not subscribe till now, then please do subscribe to learn and grow community for regular updates. If this video is informative, then please like this video, comment on video, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.